This program is brought to you by Emory University.
Hey all, I'm happy to be standing here to celebrate Dr. Cassandra Quave. Cassie is a renowned ethnobotanist, medical anthropologist, who's known for her work on documentation and conservation of traditional ecological knowledge of medicinal plants, particularly in the Mediterranean and Southeast US. She's recognized for her research and discovered new plant-based drug for the treatment of infectious diseases. This is quite different than the other technologies you've seen, and it's actually close to my heart as well. So right now, just this month, she became an associate professor and was appointed as a Thomas J. Lawley Professor in Dermatology. In her research, Cassie and her team, they focus on identifying natural compounds with therapeutic potential and studying the ways in which natural plant-based remedies are used in different cultures. She's conducted field work in several countries, including Italy, Peru, Mexico, and has authored more than 100 scientific publications. For me, being a plant dad, just partnering with her and learning more about her work, especially as I grew up with grandparents who use plants as natural health remedies, from stomachache to fever. It's just amazing to see what can be done with plants. And we are surrounded by a lot of plants as well, if you think about it. Cassie's received numerous awards for her work, and one notable one is the inaugural Eric and Wendy Schmidt Award for Excellence in Science Communication by Research Scientists in 2021. But I want to focus on other interesting ventures that she has. She's a co-creator and the host of Foodie Pharmacology, a podcast that highlights the link between food and medicine, which has more than 5 seasons. She's the creator and host of YouTube channel Teach Ethnobotany, where she shares videos about botanicals, pharmacology, and natural products. Her book, Plant Hunter, A Scientist's Quest for Nature's Next Medicines, was included in the list of Kirkus Review's best non-fiction books of the year 2021. Cassie has just mounted research expeditions to rugged, biodiverse hotspots around the world for gathering, transporting, studying, preparing, analyzing plant samples to test if these plants could lead to discovery of drugs. Despite dealing with personal health struggles and encountering bullying, sexism, and harassment, she's never given up and has continued to marvel us. In addition to her research and teaching, she's an advocate for conservation of natural resources and protection of natural traditional knowledge. She works with local communities to develop sustainable harvesting practices and to preserve indigenous languages and cultural traditions. She has been a tremendous and invaluable partner to our tech transfer office, and it's always a joy to collaborate with her. Her passion for science, coupled with entrepreneurial spirit, has led her to co-founding 2 startup companies, the latest of which is Verdant Scientific, which has licensed multiple technologies from Emory. So it's our privilege to recognize Cassie for her contributions to Emory and to the broader community, and it's just an honor for me to present her with this EmpowHER Award to Cassie Quave.
Thank you so much. This is such a privilege and an honor. When I was reflecting on this award and what it really means to empower a woman in translational science, my mind immediately went to Lewis Carroll's classic book, Alice in Wonderland. Because you see, Alice was on a journey in a wonderland of strange and curious things and strange and curious creatures. She encountered many questions, one of which was, who am I? Who am I? And this is a question I ask myself a lot because I wear many hats. I'm a mother. I'm very proud to have my children in the audience today. I'm a professor and mentor. I have one of my soon-to-graduate students with me today. I'm an innovator, an inventor, an entrepreneur, a podcast host, science communicator, explorer, disabled woman. There are a lot of hats that I wear, and I think many women wear these various hats. And so on our own journeys, we also share similar parallels with Alice because, we encounter issues like confusing rules, a constantly changing landscape. We also encounter a rapidly changing environment. And when you look closely at her story, yeah, she overcomes these challenges through wit, through ingenuity, but importantly, through the help of some very special friends and some very special mentors. And so I want to take this platform to thank my mentors, to Dr. Bob Swirlick, the Chair of Dermatology, to Dr. Michelle Lample, the Chair of the Center for Study of Human Health, to my mentor and collaborator, Dr. Raymond Shinazi, to my husband, who's been my partner in life. We just celebrated 20 years of marriage this week, and to my 4 beautiful children. And I also want to thank Emory. You know, I'm a true Emory girl. I did my undergrad here in the 90s. I had to come back. I've been here now more than a decade, and it's great to see the incredible opportunities that are opening up for women through the initiatives led by Deb Bruner's office and through Todd's office. I'm really excited to be part of the inaugural class of female founders, and I'm really excited to take off on this new adventure of a new business with my partner in business, Robert Ruschenberg, who's here in the audience. And, you know, our goal is really to improve healthcare, improve options for treatment of infectious inflammatory skin diseases with these products from nature, and I'm confident we can do that with Emory's support. So thank you all very much.